respect of which one party claimed to be the tenant of the property, agricultural tenant of the property. Subsequently, the Comundat and the tenant tried to settle the matter by dividing the land amongst themselves. Now, while compromising a case about Comundat, you require approval from the Administrative Tribunal of Goa. So they approached the Administrative Tribunal of Goa to get a consent or approval for consent terms to be filed in those proceedings. The tribunal dismissed the application on the ground that it is not permissible to compromise this case, because once you are a tenant, this land cannot be vested with the Comundat, or the tenant itself cannot make use of it for the purposes other than the agricultural land. And on that ground, the Administrative Tribunal rejected the application for giving consent to the consent terms. Now, against which a writ petition came to be filed before the High Court by the party. That writ petition also came to be rejected by the High Court. Now, the Comundat went to the appeal in the Supreme Court. Supreme Court has also dismissed the appeal, and Supreme Court has categorically said that a land which is tenanted to a person can never be used for any other purpose other than the agricultural purpose. So that law again has been upheld by the Supreme Court. In fact, it has been reiterated by the Supreme Court. There are several judgments of the Bombay High Court which says that the tenanted land can never be used for any other purpose than the agricultural purpose. So this issue has been now again settled by the Supreme Court, and that is what has happened in this case.